In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Pinterest board. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect when you remove a board from your account. Start by opening Pinterest.com in your web browser or the Pinterest app if that's what you prefer. Make sure you're signed in to the account that owns the board you want to remove. From your home feed, head over to your profile and open your boards or saved section. This is where all your boards live, and it's the quickest place to find the one you want to delete. Now, locate the specific board you want to remove and click to open it. Take a quick moment to confirm you're in the right place by checking the board title and the pins inside it. Deleting a board is permanent for you, so this quick check is worth it. At the top of the board, you'll see a small toolbar with a few controls. Click on Highlight. This opens or brings focus to the board controls so you can access more options tied to the board itself. From there, look for and click Edit Board. This opens the board settings panel, where you can change the name, description, privacy, and other details. We're here for the removal option, so scroll within this panel until you find Delete Board. Go ahead and click Delete Board. Pinterest will ask you to confirm because deleting a board removes the board and its sections from your account. Pins you saved there will no longer be organized in that board, and you won't be able to restore it later. If you're sure, click Delete to confirm. That's it. The board is now removed from your profile. A few quick tips before you do this for real. If you only want to hide the board from others, consider making it secret instead of deleting it. Also, if the board contains ideas you may want later, you might move a few important pins to another board first so you don't lose track of them. For group boards, deleting a board you own will remove it for you. If others have saved those pins elsewhere, their copies may still exist on Pinterest. And keep in mind the interface can look a little different on desktop versus mobile, but the flow is the same. Open the board, access the board options, edit the board, delete and confirm. That's the complete process. You've learned how to go to Pinterest, open your boards, select the one you want, use the highlight area to get to edit board, choose delete board, and finalize by clicking delete. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.